guys, Ryan here with TSR360. Today I want to introduce to you our Carvello mini toner system. So this is our wheel touch-up system in a 3-drawer cabinet. So with our mini toner system you can do wheels, you can do touch-up, and also small panel bumper repair. So this is really nice cart. It can go in a mobile unit or you can just set it on the shop floor. So let's start in by looking at it here. So you can see we've labeled all the toners from the back to the front, so everything's in order. These come off, they're just magnetic strips, so you can easily take these on and off. Drawer number 2, get in here. So you have the rest of your toners here. You have a large scale, we have a fast, medium, or normal reducer, slow reducer, mixing cups, the Q-tip style touch-up tips. We have a bunch of brushes, flow pens in here, and then of course our wheel touch-up deck that fits right into this slot here. And the last drawer, we have some of our aerosol products. So this is really nice. We have our anti-static, our AS7 plastic cleaner. We have our Final Clean, which is just wax and grease remover. Back here, we even have our new 2K series, Limitless series clear coats. So these are true 2K products in you see a non-bladder can. These atomize and start to activate and harden when it comes out of the gun. They have multiple cap sizes for different type of repairs. So we have our high solid CC1 clear here. We have our Mirror Glide clear, which is our European clear coat. And we have our CC1 Glamour clear in this kit. And then in every kit, we encourage everybody to use, this is just a nozzle cleaner. So you just take these nozzles when you're done, pop this one off, put it on there, spray it through it, clean out the nozzle. That way your nozzles stay good for a longer time. And we also have a 2K filler primer. This is also our 2K Limitless series. So this is a 2K product mixed together already in a can, and the same thing where it comes with multiple tip sizes, nozzle sizes to spray different patterns. And then we also have our plastic adhesion promoter, our blending clear blender. All these come with a kit. We have a liter of our CC3 clear with CC4 hardener. We have some extra cups, and then we have space here. These are toolbox matting, so you can cut out to your size if there's something else you want to carry into it. And then we also have in this some mixing sticks. We have for touch-up guys, these are smaller mini scales, so if you're trying to do like an ounce, this works really well because it's going to pick up the 0.1s really fast. So we include this other scale in it as well. And then some of our touch-up guys like to use the pens or syringes, so we include a few of those in it. All in a nice size roll-around cart here. So the price of this is $3,300 for the entire kit. Now you can mix and match a little bit on the aerosols to what you need. We'll tailor it to your design a little bit on that stuff. But overall, this gives you everything along with the mobile app. So you'll be able to log in through your phone, tablet. You'll be able to go to carvello.net and pull up all your colors, SDS, TDS information, all on that. And the other thing I wanted to show you too that goes with it is our wheel touch-up, our wheel repair cart. So this is a working model. I use this to do demos. So we actually can put an airbrush compressor on this or a battery-powered compressor. This will have all your tools. So we have our wheel chip deck in this. We have 2 sanders and batteries in here, so everything's portable. We have all our different sandpapers in here. On this side, we have the quick connect discs. So your roll-out style conditioning discs are in here. And the bottom drawer has some aerosols, tapes here as well. You have some body fillers, little mixing pads. You can see I use this and work out of it. Gloves. some masking plastic, pre-tape masking plastic. And the thing I love about this, I'll show you guys, is if you're wanting to do it out of the trunk of your car, these break, these completely break down into three separate pieces here. So you have the ability to you know, put this in your trunk of your car. The other thing, I'm going to step out of screen here for a second, is the other thing we have that will work with our airbrush style compressors. Depending on what you're doing, if you're going to try to use bumper spot ins, stuff like that, we recommend a little bit larger airbrush compressor. If you're just doing wheels and wheel spot ins, the small ones work fine. But instead of having to, we actually have adapters for the airbrush guns, so you can run off the airbrush compressor. They're quick connects. So as you can see here, these are our Prona mini jet guns. We actually have an airbrush attachment on here. So this is a 0.3, this is a 0.6. So you can do those small touch-up repairs. You can roll this cart around from car to car, work in multiple locations. And like I said, that can be battery powered or just hooked into a small, like a small extension cord or the back of your pickup truck. So later on, I'm actually going to be going out to dealerships and showing you guys how we work that system. I'll run it off the back of my pickup truck, and we'll do some repairs and go through it and show you how we use the products with the aerosol and the paint gun. So we have everything you need. We cover all the options. We can tailor make it to how you guys need it. So hit us up and let us know what we can do for you.